Do you want to learn English quickly without feeling confused or stressed? Here are some simple and proven tips that really work if you follow them daily. 1. Start speaking from day 1. Don't wait to be perfect. Speak English every day even if you make mistakes. Mistakes help you learn faster. 2. Learn useful words, not everything. Focus on common words and daily use sentences. You don't need to learn difficult grammar at the beginning. 3. Listen to English every day. Watch short English videos, listen to podcasts or simple stories. Even 10 to 15 minutes daily can improve your listening skills. 4. Think in English. Try to think in English instead of translating from your language. Start with simple thoughts like, I am happy, or I need water. 5. Practice speaking aloud. Read English sentences aloud. This improves pronunciation and builds confidence. 6. Use English in real-life talk to yourself. Describe what you are doing, or speak with friends in English. Real use brings real improvement. 7. Be consistent. Not perfect practice, a little every day. Consistency is more important than studying for many hours once in a while. 8. Learn short sentences. First, instead of long and complex sentences, start with short and simple ones. For example, I am learning English. I want to improve my speaking. Short sentences are easy to remember and use. 9. Don't be afraid of grammar. Grammar is important, but don't let it stop you from speaking. First, speak freely. Grammar will improve naturally with practice. 10. Repeat and revise. Daily revision is the key to fast learning. Repeat new words and sentences every day so they stay in your memory. 11. Use English learning apps. Use simple apps for vocabulary, speaking, and listening practice. Just 10 minutes a day can make a big difference. 12. Learn one new thing. Every day, learn one new word, one sentence, or one phrase daily. Small steps lead to big results. 13. Stay motivated. Remind yourself why you want to learn English. Confidence comes with practice, not perfection. 14. Copy native speakers. Listen to how native speakers talk and try to copy their pronunciation and tone. This helps you sound more natural. 15. Speak slowly and clearly. There is no need to speak fast. Speak slowly and clearly so others can understand you, and so you feel confident. 16. Use English every morning. Start your day with English. Read a short paragraph, think in English, or say a few sentences aloud after waking up. 17. Keep a small English notebook. Write new words, sentences, and expressions in a notebook. Review it before sleeping. 18. Don't compare yourself with others. Everyone learns at a different speed. Focus on your own progress, not on others. 19. Turn your phone into an English teacher. Change your phone language to English. This simple step helps you learn many new words naturally. 20. Enjoy the process. Learning English should be fun, not stressful. Enjoy small improvements and celebrate every step. 21. Learn common daily phrases. Focus on phrases people use every day like, "How are you?" "Can you help me?" "I don't understand." These make communication easier and faster. 22. Talk to yourself in English. This may feel strange, but it works. Describe your actions. I am cooking now. I am going to work. It builds fluency naturally. 23. Read simple English every day. Start with short stories, news for beginners, or simple articles. Reading improves vocabulary and sentence structure. 24. Watch with subtitles, smartly. Watch English videos with English subtitles, not your native language. Listen and read at the same time. 25. Ask questions in English. Whenever you are curious, try to ask the question in English, even if it's simple. 26. Learn from your mistakes. Don't feel bad about mistakes. Every mistake is a step closer to fluency. 27. Set small daily goals. For example, today I will learn 5 new words. Today I will speak English for 10 minutes. Closing message. English is not hard if you practice the right way. Start small, stay consistent, and one day you will speak English with confidence.